Qingdao Hegu Wood Plastic Machinery Company Limited is a private enterprise which is devoting itself to the research, development, and production of various wood plastic machine and products. It is always making innovations and keeping up with the times as one of the domestic manufacturers to develop WPC extrusion line. Our company is the professional manufacturer in wood plastic machinery in China. We have senior experts team technician in WPC extrusion line, molds, and process formula, and product production. Accumulated rich experience in the area of WPC extrusion line. We can provide all-round service and turnkey project. Our company has built up partnerships with many domestic institutions and scientific organizations that have been engaged in WPC machinery. Besides, our products have developed a market throughout the country and even reached Singapore, Russia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Italy, Taiwan, winning fame from customers home and abroad. Our company accordance with the ISO 9001 quality system to ensure the quality of products. We will unswervingly to make more efforts to provide competitive products and good service to all customers. The products have got CE certificate. Hegu is always looking forward to building a long-term and friendly cooperation with both regular and new customers from all over the world. Welcome to visit us.